Hello, this is Miss McCauley. So today we're going to be working on the iReady lesson for first grade, lesson 8, session 4. See, there's 4 dots for session 4, and it's on the refine, and it's page number 198 in the iReady. And our standard for this is Math Standard 1.0A. So 1 is for first grade. OA means operations and algebraic thinking. B3. Okay. So that means that we're applying strategies to add and subtract. Okay. When we're adding and subtracting, we're going to look for strategies to make it easier. So this one is called making a 10. All right, so we have a 5 and a 9. We know that we could make a 10 if we add one more to this 9. So let's break up this 5 into 1 on this side. Okay, so here's a 5. 1 is going to be on that side. And what's going to be on the other side? Yeah, 4. Here's the 1 that's going to go with the 9 to make a 10. And the 4 is going to go on the other side, right? And that's how we're going to add them. So we're going to add 4 plus 1 plus 9 equals, right? 4 plus 1 plus 9. Can you write that down? Good. Now let's add the 1 and 9 together to make 10. So we're going to add 4 plus 10 equals. Now, 4 plus 10 is easier to add than 4 plus 1 plus 9. Okay, so what is 4 plus 10? And it's like this. 10 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the 10 right here, and here's the 4. What is the answer? Write it down right there. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, here we have a 6. We want to make this 6 into a 10. How many more do we need to make this 6 into a 10? So let's think about it. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many more do we need to make this 6 into a 10? We need 4 more, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to divide this 6 right here, into 4 on this side. I shouldn't have drawn that there. And let's say we have 6, right? If we have 4 on this side, how many do we have on the other side? 4 goes on that side. And what's left on this side? Yeah, it looks like 2. These 2 are left. So let's write 2 on this side. Sorry, I should not have written those. If I had an eraser, I'd erase them, but I can't. So let's put it here. 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals. So I just changed this 6 into a 4 and 2. Okay? 6 plus 4 plus 2. See? It used to be 6, but now it's 4 plus 2. Now that I did that, I can circle 6 and 4. Am I going too fast? Pause the video, okay? Okay, now, lovies, what is 6 plus 4? Right, it's 10. So I'm going to make it 10 plus this 2 right here. This is 10 and this is 2. 10 plus 2. Okay. Okay, now is it easy to figure out? Let's see. Let's draw it. 10 and 2 more. Is it easy to figure out? Okay, after you've done this, write the answer right there. Okay, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. Look at this one. This 9 is almost a 10. So how much more do we need to make it a 10? So if we have 9, how much more do we need to make it a 10? We have 9, we need to make it a 10. What's missing? One more, right? So let's make this, change this 6 into a 1. Here's 6. A 1 on this side, or a 1 on this side. And what's on this side? 5 on this side, right? So let's put 5 on this side. Okay, now we're going to rewrite this. Instead of writing 9 plus 6, we're going to write 9 plus 1 plus 5. Right here. 9 plus 1 plus 5. Did you write it down? Okay, now that we have 9 plus 1 plus 5, I'm going to circle the 9 plus 1 because we want to make a 10. Okay, let's rewrite it. 10, instead of 9 plus 1, we're going to write 10 plus 5 equals blank. Okay, lovies, let's draw it. Let's draw 10 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what the answer is? Write it here. Okay, so we need to make an equation in which we divide this number up with 3. Complete the number bonding equation. Okay, so let's say we have 8 here. Let's do 8. Okay? So we have 8, and we're going to divide it up so that we have 3 on this side, and we have this much on the other side. How much is left over on the other side? So 3 is on this side, and this much is on the other side. Yeah, it's 5 on this side, right? So we changed 8 into 3 and 5. We just broke it up, right? So now we're going to rewrite this number sentence. 7 plus 3 plus 5 instead of 7 plus 8. 7 plus 3 plus 5. Can you do that? Okay, now that you've written this number sentence, let's circle, put a box around the 7 plus 3 because we're going to change that into 10. Okay, so we're going to write 10 plus 5. Instead of 7 plus 3, we're going to write 10 plus 5. Now, if you have space to draw that, you can draw it here or draw it here. I'm going to draw it here, but you could draw it here if you have more space here, okay? I'm going to draw a 10 right there, this 10, and then I'm going to draw these 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is this number? Okay. Write the answer here. Okay, lovies. I hope this wasn't too hard. I hope it was kind of understandable. If it wasn't, that's okay, because we're still learning, and you don't have to understand everything today. Okay? The more we practice, the more you'll understand. All right. So we learned today, we're learning how to make a 10 to add.